everyone, I am Mr. Easy and welcome to Easy Peasy. Today I'm going to teach you something serious. I'm going to teach you how to make easy and quick money. I know some of you need money to do a lot of things, but you don't know how to make that money. And today I'm going to teach you how to make yourself easy and some quick money. Step 1, you need a dark shades. Step 2, you need a bowl. Step 3, you need a stick. There you go. Now, I'm going to demonstrate how you are going to use this to make money. First, you need to wear your glasses and hold your bowl like this and your stick in your right arm and look for a junction where there are a lot of people passing by and wait for the magic. Thank you. See? Easy peasy. Congratulations, you have successfully learned how to make yourself easy and quick money. Now, don't forget to send me a share when you make yourself the easy and quick money. And don't forget to like and comment.